I am so glad we could meet for a coffee this afternoon, Sarah. It has been a busy week.
Me too, Mark. It is the perfect way to relax and start the weekend. What is that you are looking at? It looks like a very fancy card.
It is. It just arrived in the mail this morning, and I am still so excited about it. It is a wedding invitation. My cousin is getting married.
A wedding. That is wonderful news. Weddings are such happy occasions. Who is getting married? Is it a cousin I have met before?
I think you have met her once or twice. It is my cousin, Julia, the one who is a musician. She is getting married to her long-term partner, David. We all knew this was coming, but it is so exciting to see it in an official invitation.
That is lovely. I remember Julia. She is very sweet. So, when is the big day? Is it happening soon?
It is not until next year. The wedding is on Saturday, the 14th of June. So we have plenty of time to prepare.
June is a beautiful month for a wedding. The weather should be lovely. And where is it going to be? Is the wedding here in Vienna?
No, and that is the other very exciting part. It is going to be a destination wedding. They are getting married in Ireland.
Ireland. Wow, that is amazing. I have always wanted to visit Ireland. It looks so beautiful in pictures, with all the green hills and old castles. That is going to be a very special trip for you.
I am really looking forward to it. I have never been to Ireland either, so it is the perfect excuse to finally go.
But why Ireland? I know your family is from Austria. Does Julia have a special connection to the country?
It is because of her fiancé, David. He is from Ireland. His family lives in a small town just outside of Dublin. So they decided to have the wedding there so that his older relatives can attend easily.
That makes perfect sense. It is very thoughtful of them. A wedding in the groom's hometown, that will be so authentic and charming. Do you know where the ceremony and the party will be?
Yes, the invitation has all the details. The ceremony is going to be in a beautiful old stone church in the town. And the reception, the party after the ceremony, is going to be held at a nearby castle hotel. Can you imagine? A party in a real Irish castle.
A castle reception. That sounds like something out of a fairy tale. It is going to be an incredibly romantic wedding. But a destination wedding also means a lot of planning for the guests.
It does. I need to think about booking flights and accommodation very soon. I know it is many months away, but I think flights are cheaper if you book them far in advance.
That is usually true, especially for a popular month like June. You should start looking online for flights to Dublin. Are you planning to go just for the weekend or for a longer trip?
I think I will make a small holiday out of it. I will probably fly out on the Thursday before the wedding and fly back on the following Monday or Tuesday. That will give me a few extra days to explore Dublin and the surrounding countryside.
That is a brilliant idea. You have to make the most of the trip. And what about a hotel? Is the reception being held at the same place you can stay?
Yes, the invitation says they have reserved a block of rooms at the Castle Hotel for the wedding guests at a special price. I think I will definitely book a room there. It will be so convenient to just walk upstairs to my room after the party.
Staying at the castle is a perfect plan. So you have your travel and accommodations sorted. Now for the next important question. What are you going to wear?
I was just thinking about that. This is a special occasion, so I think I need to buy a new suit. I do not have anything that is fancy enough for a castle wedding.
Buying a new suit is always fun. Do you know what the dress code is? The invitation sometimes gives a suggestion, like formal or cocktail attire.
Let me check. Yes, it says formal attire right here at the bottom, so that definitely means a suit and tie for the men.
Okay. What color suit are you thinking of? Maybe a nice dark blue or a charcoal gray? Those colors always look very elegant. And you will need a smart shirt and a nice tie to go with it. And some new shoes, of course. This is getting expensive.
It is, but it is worth it for my cousin's special day. I will have to plan a shopping trip soon. Another thing I need to think about is the wedding gift.
Ah, the wedding gift. That can be the hardest part to decide. Do you have any ideas?
I have no idea at all. It is so difficult to choose a good gift that the couple will actually like and use.
Does the invitation mention a wedding gift registry? A wedding gift registry is a list of items the couple has chosen at a specific store. It makes it very easy for the guests.
That is a good thought. Let me check the little information card that came with the invitation. Ah, yes, you are right. It says here, your presence is the only present we require, but if you wish to give a gift, a contribution to our honeymoon fund would be greatly appreciated.
A honeymoon fund. That is a very popular and practical idea these days. It means you can just give them some money in a nice card. It is much easier than trying to buy a toaster or a set of plates. And it helps them pay for their dream holiday.
That is a perfect solution for the gift. I am very happy about that. This is all becoming much clearer now. There is one other piece of news, actually. I have a special role in the wedding.
A special role? What do you mean?
Julia and David have asked me to be a groomsman.
A groomsman. Mark, that is a huge honor. That means you are a very important part of the wedding party, the groom's team. What do you have to do?
Well, David's brother is the best man, and I am one of the other groomsmen. I think my main duties are to help David get ready on the day, to support him, and to be part of the official photos. And I also have to give a short speech at the reception.
I am very happy and honored that they asked me, but I am a little bit nervous about the speech. I am not very good at public speaking.
It is normal to be nervous, but you will be great. You just have to speak from the heart. It does not have to be a long or perfect speech.
What should I talk about? I do not know where to start.
The best speeches are usually a combination of sweet and funny. You should talk about how much your cousin Julia means to you, and you should tell a short, funny, and sweet story about when you were children.
A story from our childhood? That is a great idea. I could tell the story about the time we tried to build a tree house in our grandparents' garden and we fell out of the tree. It is a funny story, but it also shows how we always had adventures together.
That is a perfect story. It is personal, funny, and memorable. You just tell that story, and then you say how happy you are to see her so happy with David. And then you wish them a lifetime of happiness together. It will be a wonderful speech.
Thank you, Sarah. You have made me feel much less nervous about it. You always give such good advice. I am starting to get a really clear picture of the whole event in my head.
It sounds like it is going to be a truly magical day. The old church for the ceremony will be so beautiful and traditional.
It will. And then the reception at the castle, I can just imagine it. A beautiful dining room with music and dancing. Irish castles are supposed to be a little bit haunted. Maybe we will see a friendly ghost.
I hope not. I wonder if they will have any Irish traditions at the wedding. It will be an interesting mix of Austrian and Irish culture.
I am sure they will. Maybe some Irish music and dancing. And I am sure the speeches from David's family will have some wonderful Irish humor. It is going to be so much fun.
It really sounds like the wedding of the year. You're so lucky to be a part of it. You have a lot to look forward to.
I do. I feel so excited, but also a little bit overwhelmed. There is so much to organize. The flight, the hotel, the new suit, the gift, the speech. It is a big project.
It is a big project, but you have almost a whole year to plan it. You can do it step by step. The first thing to do is to send back the RSVP card to let them know you are coming.
You are right. I will do that as soon as I get home. RSVP, then flights. One step at a time.
Exactly. And it is a happy kind of planning. It is all for a wonderful celebration. It is going to be one of the best memories of your life.